Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix an error you might encounter while manually installing PTA version 13 on Linux. The error message you may see says something like not enough space and /dev/shm to extract install files. But don't worry, the solution is actually quite simple. All we need to do is edit the /etc//stab file and increase the size of /dev/shm. Okay. First thing you gotta do is open up the /etc//stab file in a text editor. Now, look for this specific line that I'm gonna show you here. Keep in mind that this line might not be there in some versions, so don't worry if you don't see it. If the line is already there, you just need to add a parameter called size. But in my case, the whole line is missing, so I'm gonna add it myself. What this actually does is increase the shared memory. Now let's remount it and check whether it's allocated. All set, you're good to go now. I've included all the necessary info in the description for you. Thanks for tuning in.